All right. Number 3.
Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. When you first get up in the morning, don't reach for the coffee, don't reach for the tea, drink water. And if you do this before every meal, it'll boost your digestion and it'll make you feel good. And we even put a little tiny pinch of salt in ours because we exercise in the morning.
And then also, too, if you drink the reverse osmosis, you want to do a little bit of lemon salt for the
Right.
minerals.
Right.
Don't drink dead water. I think that also a big boost about drinking water is that not only does it, like you said, curb the appetite, but it's also good for the mouth. That's a hot tip.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Versus drinking anything else, have a good teeth, healthy teeth, you're going to have a healthy body.
That's right.
Yes.
All right. Hydrating. For
Perfect.
us ladies, we want our skin to look good. Hydrate.
Yes. That's true.
Okay. And number 4 is ditch the processed healthy snacks.
Just like us. We got rid of them.
Yes. If it says healthy or natural, it's been greenwashed, okay? If it comes in a package, it's not healthy. So
There's very far few in between processed bars. I say, you know what?
maybe it might work.
They're acceptable.
Yeah. But for the most part, eat fruit, eat some nuts.
Yeah,
That's
for sure.
a really good snack to get you by. Number 5, batch cook simple dinners. So pre-make your grains, your baked potatoes, or some of your bean proteins, like for example, beans. You batch cook that on days that you know you're going to have a busy week or a busy day. You cook that ahead of time. So this way, when you get home, all you have to make is a vegetable or salad, and even make that ahead of time, the salad. And when you get home, you have a meal there waiting for you.
Well, even that, you batch cook it. Now you can take your meals to work or on the road. You don't have to go out and eat the fast foods or the restaurants because you batch meal everything. You prep it. All you got to do is warm it up, and it's easy to find a microwave this day and time and age.
Correct.
Number 6.
Prioritize sleep. Sleep is so important. Set a calming routine at the end of the day and stick to a bedtime. And that fat loss will start happening overnight.
Sleep
It's
allows you to
important.
recover, rejuvenate, recuperate.
Yes.
It's so important for your whole body to reset its hormones and be able to just properly digest and recover.
And if you don't sleep good, your attitude is a little not too nice when you don't sleep good.
And energy goes down. When energy goes down, you're looking for
yes.
that quick calorie fix by the Pop-Tart.
Yeah, and then you're taking all this caffeine in and you're taking all this sugar in, and then you wonder, my hormones.
All this is like one big cycle. That's why you do all these habits consistently. You'll lose weight and have that fat loss.
Yeah.
Number 7.
Gentle movement every day, whether it's walking, stretching, dancing, swimming. Choose what feels good and not pushing yourself, and go for it. And as you get stronger and you feel more confident, then obviously you could do something a little bit more challenging. But in the beginning, walk.
Yeah. We just did a podcast about the 60s and how they had this active lifestyle from gardening and dancing and what
Yeah.
have you. You got to just move. You don't got to go crazy on the Peloton.
You don't have to do CrossFit, do all those crazy type
Don't.
of. If it's your thing, stick with it. But if it's not,
Oh my God. I just thought of something. I don't know if I should even say this though.
what?
For movement, you can go shopping. You can go shopping at the little mall
my
or a
gosh.
little center just to walk.
I will remember
God.
those words. I love
But
shopping. That's my
it's-
favorite hobby.
Oh my
Sport,
gosh.
I should say sport.
Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. Okay. Number 8. Let's get off of that.
Eat mindfully. Pause, chew slowly, and check in with your hunger. Pay attention to when you're eating. Don't be on a device. Engage in conversation with your family or your friends or whoever is nearby, but take your time and eat.
Yeah, don't rush.